Hello everyone, welcome to Home Sweet Home. So today I'll be sharing with you some of the home remedies for cough and cold in kids. Cough and cold can be a very common thing which often affect kids. It's not a thing which you have to be worried about too much since it's common for all kids. But when it gets little worse, little ones may get uncomfortable and finding it difficult to sleep. So we will be finding hard to see them suffering. So here are few home remedies which I followed for my kids and they have no side effects. The first home remedy is carom or ajwain potli. Take some carom seeds, dry roast it slightly in a pan. Now make a fine powder out of it. Take a clean muslin cloth and make ajwain potlis. Now take a little warm water in a bowl and dip the ajwain potli. Let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, squeeze the extract from the ajwain potli. Now give 1 tablespoon of this extract to your kid. It helps to remove congestion or phlegm. Mix a tablespoon of honey with a tablespoon of lemon juice and give this to your kid. It helps to clear the throat. For kids above 4 years, steaming really helps to get rid of cough and cold. Chicken soup is also a very good home remedy for cold and cough in older children and adults. I hope you liked it. If so, please hit the like button and please do subscribe my channel for more updates. Friends, it's a new channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me motivating to do more of these videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.